Hey, I'm Tom. If you're anything like me, you want to find the right internship that prepares you for employment after graduation. With API, I found the perfect environmental science internship where I could develop real-world skills and apply them with confidence. Let me walk you through the API internship application process. API offers a wide range of internships, and they're committed to helping you find the best fit experience to support your career goals and interests. Start by using the API Program Finder, where you can filter by location, term, area of study, career interest, and more. Pinpoint exactly what you're looking for, whether it's a specific country or a particular field. Once you've found an internship that catches your eye, click on the card for more details. Learn about the company, the role, the skills you'll be gaining, and any perks the company is offering to successful candidates. Have more questions about internships? Click the chat support button and talk with a real person, not a chatbot. When you're ready, click Personalize and Apply to customize your experience. Apply for up to 3 internships and choose to add on a course with academic credit, API visited and verified housing, and even cultural excursions. After submitting your application, download the API mobile app to start working on your required to-dos, like uploading your resume. Then, you'll make an appointment with a career coach to confirm your selections and tailor your resume to get your top choice internship. And that's how you apply. Once API approves your application, they'll get to work confirming your best fit internship. You're well on your way to an unforgettable experience.